Good morning, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Can I? Okay, thank you, Mr. Dionisio Lacson. Okay, Mr. Dionisio Lacson. According dito sa resume mo, ikaw ay isang college graduate.
Yes, sir. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English.
Okay. Magandang resume mo pero sorry to say this, Mr. Lacson, pero ang hinahanap namin dito is at least merong 2 years experience. So, pasensya na pero hindi ka namin pwedeng i-hire dahil wala ka pang experience. So, sorry Mr. Lacson, see you next time. Next!
Good morning,